Top trending video ideas for YouTubers. Are you a YouTuber looking for fresh and trending video ideas? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the top trending video content ideas to help you boost your channel's growth and engagement. 1. Product reviews. One of the most popular types of videos on YouTube is product reviews. Share your honest opinions and experiences about products or services within your niche. Not only will your audience appreciate your insights, but you can also earn income through affiliate partnerships. 2. Challenges and pranks. Challenges and pranks have taken YouTube by storm. Engage your audience with fun, exciting, and sometimes outrageous challenges or pranks. Be creative and make sure to keep it safe and respectful. 3. Vlogs. Take your audience on a journey with you through vlogs. Share your day-to-day life, behind the scenes of your creative process, travel experiences, or any interesting events you attend. Vlogs offer a more personal connection with your viewers. 4. Tutorials and how-to guides. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating tutorials and how-to guides within your niche. Teach your viewers a new skill, offer tips and tricks, or provide step-by-step instructions. Educational content is highly sought after and can position you as an authority in your field. 5. Hauls and unboxing videos. Unboxing videos and hauls are always in demand. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or fashion items, share your excitement and first impressions with your viewers. Be informative and showcase the products in an engaging way. 6. Gaming content. If you're passionate about gaming, create gaming content for your channel. You can do playthroughs, reviews, tutorials, or even funny moments compilations. The gaming community on YouTube is huge, so find your niche and connect with like-minded gamers. 7. Food and recipe videos. Food is another popular category on YouTube. Share your favorite recipes, cooking techniques, or review local restaurants. Food videos can be visually appealing and mouth-watering, making them highly shareable and engaging. 8. Travel and adventure. If you love to explore new places, capture your travel adventures on camera. Showcasing breathtaking landscapes, sharing travel tips, or documenting cultural experiences can inspire and entertain your viewers. 9. Q&A and live streams. Engage directly with your audience through Q&A sessions or live streams. Invite your viewers to ask questions and provide valuable insights, inspiration, or entertainment in real time. This fosters a deeper connection and helps build a loyal community. 10. Collaborations and challenges with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a fantastic way to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Participate in challenges, create joint videos, or even organize collaborations within your niche. By pooling your talents and ideas, you can create truly unique and engaging content. Those were the top trending video ideas for YouTubers. Now it's time to pick a few ideas that resonate with your interests and start creating amazing content.